kids, another plant that might grow in the rainforest. It's a plant that really likes a moist place to live. And actually, we see a lot of these growing around where we live because we also live in a very moist place, right? Where there's a lot of rain. The kind of plant I'm thinking of is a mushroom. What do you know about mushrooms? Some mushrooms you can eat, right? Have you ever eaten a mushroom? But some mushrooms you can't eat. They're not okay to eat. They could make you sick. How do you know the difference? If you find a mushroom outside, should you pick it and eat it? Definitely not, right? Most of the mushrooms you see growing outside in Seattle are not something you could eat. So you have to be very careful about which mushrooms you pick and eat. But if you know somebody who knows their mushrooms, you may be able to go with them and go for a hike and find mushrooms that you can actually pick and take home and eat. But make sure you're with somebody who says it's okay, somebody like a mom or a dad or a grandparent or an aunt or uncle or somebody who knows their mushrooms and knows which ones are okay to eat. I was with some friends recently and we were hiking and they showed me mushrooms that you were able to eat. And I learned something that I didn't know before. I learned that mushrooms have a very extensive root system and that you should never just pluck a mushroom out of the ground because you will hurt all the other mushrooms that are growing nearby since their roots are connected. So my friends had a knife with them and they would cut the mushrooms off at the stalk so that they didn't hurt any other mushrooms that were growing in the root system. Pretty interesting, right? Today we're going to do art and play a game at the same time. So that's kind of fun, right? First thing you get to do is decorate your mushroom caps and stick them onto your straws, like this one. And I did a few more. And then, hopefully, you have some Play-Doh at home. This is going to be fun. Make your Play-Doh into the ground. So make it kind of flat like that. So your mushrooms can grow out of the ground like this. Pretty cool, right? And then you have some number cards, I believe. So you're going to do, to play the game, is choose a number card. So if you get the number 3, you're going to go ahead and plant 3 mushrooms in your garden. 1, 2, 3. Keep planting and keep playing until all your mushrooms are gone. And then you can play in reverse. You can pick a card and take that number of mushrooms out of your garden, like this. 1. Have fun with it, making art, playing a game, and working on your numbers and counting too. Bye for now.